I dreaming? Oh, I'm living in my dream.
A 5-day in-depth tour to experience Cantonese intangible cultural heritage. Starting from round Pushpin Guangzhou, visit Chen Clan Ancestral Hall to admire Lingnan architectural art and explore Lingnan Impression Park to experience traditional folk customs. Then head to round Pushpin Shunde, take a boat tour of Lingnan water towns, and experience intangible heritage crafts such as Zhangyanshi dyeing and finishing. Arrive in round Pushpin Foshan to watch wonderful lion dance performances, make lion heads with your own hands, and visit Nanhong Kiln pottery art. This tour selects the most representative intangible heritage projects in the 3 places, paired with authentic local cuisine and characteristic accommodations, creating an immersive Lingnan cultural experience.